So this is third question of exercise 6.2. This diagram is given in which LM is parallel to CB and LN is parallel to CB. We have been asked, या पहले लिखते हैं given. So what we have been given that LM is parallel to CB and LN is parallel to CB. What we are supposed to do? AM upon AB is equals to AN upon AB. This is what we are supposed to do. There is no construction. Directly we are going on to the proof. In triangle ABC, LM is parallel to CB. कल समझाया था BPT start होती है parallel lines के ऊपर वाले points. We are just focusing on this particular triangle. I am just giving you a bit of shading. Fine. So these two sides are parallel. The point above these parallel lines is A. So by BPT, I can write that AM upon AB is equals to AL upon AC by BPT. Remember, yesterday I shared some other results of BPT as well. जिसमें एक result था smaller part upon entire is equals to smaller part upon entire. था क्या ऐसा एक result? The same way I am using AM upon AB is equals to AL upon AC. Fine. Similarly, in the other triangle, what other triangle? We have this one. Similarly, in triangle ABC, LN is parallel to CB. So AN upon AB is equals to AL upon AC. Again by BB. Let us mark this one as 1 and this one as 2. In 1 and 2, RHS is same. So LHS has to be same. So from 1 and 2, RHS of 1 is equals to RHS of 2. So LHS of 1 has to be equals to LHS of 2. AM upon AB is equals to AN upon AB, hence 2. This is question number 4. We have been given this triangle. दोनों pink lines question में parallel दी हुई, ठीक है? And दोनों blue lines question में parallel दी हुई, ठीक है? And we have been asked to do something. So first of all, given DF is parallel to AE, and second DE is parallel to AC. To prove BF upon FE is equals to BE upon EC. कोई कंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं है, सीधे प्रूव. Now see, if I consider both the pink lines as parallel lines, लगानी मुझे BPT है. BPT start होती है parallel lines के ऊपर वाले points. That means I have to select a triangle which contains both these pink lines and a point above them. ठीक है? क्या इनके ऊपर पॉइंट अगर मैं F लूं तो ट्रायंगल बनता है? नहीं बनता. फाइन. इनके ऊपर अगर मैं पॉइंट B लूंगा तो yes there is a triangle. Am I right? यानी कि पहला ट्रायंगल, if I consider these two pink lines to be taken as triangle BAC. In triangle BAC, where BE is parallel to AC. If I apply BPT BD upon DA, basic format में लगा रहा हूं, will be equals to BE upon EC by BP. Number 1. If I consider both the blue lines and want to apply BPT, So again, I need to select the point which is above the blue lines. So above the blue lines, what is the point? P again. So in triangle BAE, just take the triangle. In triangle BAE, again BF is parallel to AE. So if I apply BPD again, BD upon DA is equals to BF upon FE by BPD, and this becomes equation number 2. In equation number 1 and equation number 2, are both the LHS same? Yes, they both the LHS BD upon DA, BD upon DA. So if I compare 1 and 2 from 1 and 2, what I can say that their RHS should also be equal. BE upon EC is equals to BF upon FE. Hence, question number 5. We have been given the diagram in the book in which there is a triangle PQR. In this triangle, O is any point. Fine. PO, QO, and RO are joined, and another lines have been drawn such that DE is parallel to OQ, again both the pink lines, and DF is parallel to OR, both the blue lines. We have to prove that EF is parallel to QR. How will we do that? Pay attention. कोई construction नहीं है. Again, first of all, again concentrate on both the pink lines and a point above it so that a triangle is formed. The triangle is POQ. Am I right? दोनों pink lines और इनके ऊपर एक point लेकर एक triangle बनाने की कोशिश कीजिए. So both the pink lines and the point above it is P. So we can take the triangle POQ. Fine. So in triangle POQ, DE is parallel to OQ. Fine. So PE upon EQ is equals to PD upon DO by BPD, and this is equation number 1. Similarly, if I consider both the blue lines and the point, then which triangle can I take? In triangle POR, DF is parallel to OR. So PF upon FR is equals to PD upon DO, again by BPD, and this is equation number 2. In 1 and 2, RHS are same. That means LHS has to be same. Fine. So from 1 and 2, I can say that PE upon EQ is equals to PF upon FR. Now just forget about these pink and blue lines. भूल जाओ कैसी lines भी. See EF. अगर हम केवल EF पर concentrate करें, तो EF is a line which divides the two sides of a triangle in the same ratio. PE upon EQ is equals to PF upon FR. What does the converse of BPD says? If a line divides the two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line has to be parallel to the third side. Converse of BPD. Fine. So अगर ये चीज equal है, so it means that EF is parallel to QR by converse of P. And this is what we are supposed to do. Question number 6. We have been given this kind of figure, and in which we have been given AB is parallel to PQ and AC is parallel to PR. Again, we are supposed to prove that BC is parallel to Q1. Same logic. दोनों pink lines parallel हैं. So you have to take a triangle including both pink lines and a point. So the triangle which we are going to take is in triangle OPQ, AB is parallel to P. So if I apply BPD, OA upon AP is equals to OB upon PQ by BP. Similarly, in this one, in triangle OPR, AC is parallel to PR. Again, if I apply BPT, OA upon AP is equals to OC upon CR by BPT, and this will become equation 2. We can see that LHS of both of them are equal, hence the RHS will also be equal. So from 1 and 2, OB upon BQ is equals to OC upon CR. Now, see in this triangle, BC is a line which is dividing both of them in the same ratio. OB upon BQ is equals to OC upon CR. So BC is a line which divides the two sides of a triangle in the same ratio. Hence, BC is parallel to QR by converse of BP. And this is how the question is getting proved.